Prompt framework number 2. The Broke prompt framework is a comprehensive approach for structuring prompts to improve the effectiveness of responses generated by AI language models. Broke stands for background, role, objective, knowledge, and execution. Each component plays a specific role in guiding the AI to produce output that is contextually accurate, relevant, and useful for the intended purpose. Here's a breakdown of each component within the Broke framework. 1. Background purpose. The background component sets the stage by providing context for the prompt. This could include relevant information, historical context, or specific details about the topic, making it easier for the AI to understand the environment or situation. Examples of background. Topic information. Supply relevant details about the subject, e.g., this is for a marketing campaign about eco-friendly products. Audience insight. Specify the intended audience, e.g., for high school students, or for business executives. Contextual scenarios. Describe relevant circumstances that impact the response, e.g., the client has limited experience in technology. Example background segment. This article is for a travel blog focusing on eco-friendly travel tips for budget-conscious readers. The audience is primarily small business owners interested in understanding basic accounting principles. Best practices. Be concise yet complete. Provide essential information without overloading unnecessary details. Clarify unfamiliar concepts. For specialized topics, define any terms or concepts that may be ambiguous to an AI model. Align background with audience needs. Make sure that the context aligns with the preferences and needs of the target audience. 2. Role purpose. In the role component, you assign the AI a specific persona or position to help it generate responses with the correct tone, style, and expertise. Defining a role enables the AI to adopt the perspective necessary for the prompt. Examples of roles. Professional roles. Specify positions like financial advisor, health coach, or IT technician. Perspective roles. Encourage a point of view such as a supportive friend or a curious student. Creative roles. Use creative personas such as a sci-fi writer or a historian from the 19th century. Example role segment. Imagine you are a digital marketing consultant advising a small business on social media strategy. Assume the role of a high school biology teacher explaining photosynthesis in simple terms. Best practices. Align role with audience and task. Choose a role that resonates with the task and will generate the appropriate tone and level of expertise. Be clear and direct. Avoid vague role definitions. Provide specific titles or personas to guide the response accurately. Match complexity with knowledge level. When using professional roles, ensure the response complexity matches the user's level of understanding. 3. Objective purpose. The objective defines the goal or purpose of the response. It answers the question, what is the desired outcome, and helps the AI focus on achieving a specific result. Examples of objectives. Informative objective. Provide a comprehensive guide on, or explain how to. Persuasive objective. Convince the reader of the benefits of, or encourage action towards. Instructional objective. List the steps to, or outline a process for. Example objective segment. The objective is to encourage readers to adopt sustainable travel habits. Explain the key benefits of using digital payment methods for small business transactions. Best practices. Be specific about outcomes. Specify whether the goal is to inform, persuade, entertain, or guide. Direct the focus. Align the objective with the target audience's needs to ensure the response is relevant and impactful. Emphasize desired impact. If relevant, describe the kind of reaction you want from the audience, like taking action, feeling inspired, or gaining clarity. 4. Knowledge purpose, the knowledge component specifies any particular information or expertise the AI should incorporate into its response. This could include facts, resources, specialized terminology, or guidelines. Examples of knowledge: key facts, provide data points, statistics, or essential concepts, e.g., mention the current unemployment rate. Terminology, instruct the AI to use specific jargon or language, e.g., use marketing terms such as customer retention. Cited sources or references, encourage the AI to refer to general knowledge or well-known frameworks, e.g., refer to Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Example knowledge segment, include statistics about recent renewable energy adoption trends. Mention the importance of hydration for athletes during intense training sessions. Best practices, highlight essential details, include information critical to the prompt's objective without overloading. Direct specificity, use clear directives for data, terminology, or concepts that are central to achieving the prompt's goal. Avoid overspecificity for broader topics. If too many details are provided, it may constrain the response unnecessarily. 5. Execution purpose. Execution focuses on how the prompt should be articulated, including format, length, style, and structure, ensuring that the response is both readable and suited to its intended format. Examples of execution requirements. Format, specify if the response should be a list, paragraph, table, or bullet points. Length, provide length constraints, like word count or number of sentences, e.g., in 200 words, or 2 paragraphs. Tone and style, indicate a specific tone, such as enthusiastic, formal, or casual. Example execution segment. Write a 500-word article in a friendly tone, using short paragraphs and bullet points for key points. Provide a brief, concise summary in 3 sentences. Best practices. Be clear on structure requirements. Specify a structure that fits the audience's needs and expectations. Emphasize readability. Adjust tone, format, and length to optimize clarity and engagement. Limit complexity in simple responses. For brief responses, avoid excessive formatting instructions that might clutter the output. Putting it all together, here's how a prompt would look when using the Broke framework comprehensively. Background: this prompt is for a blog post about the benefits of digital marketing aimed at small business owners new to the online space. Role: imagine you are a digital marketing expert explaining the basics to beginners. Objective: the goal is to persuade small business owners to consider digital marketing as a viable strategy for growth. Knowledge: mention key benefits like cost effectiveness, customer reach, and targeted advertising. Execution: write a 400-word blog post in a friendly and conversational tone, using bullet points for the main benefits. Complete prompt. You are a digital marketing expert creating a beginner-friendly blog post for small business owners. Explain why digital marketing is beneficial, emphasizing advantages like cost effectiveness, customer reach, and targeted advertising. The goal is to persuade readers to consider digital marketing for business growth. Write in a friendly, conversational tone, using bullet points to highlight the main benefits, and keep the length to around 400 words. Benefits of using the Broke framework: enhanced clarity. Broke reduces ambiguity, ensuring the AI understands the context, role, and objectives. Improved relevance. The framework's structure helps focus on the intended audience and purpose. Contextual consistency. With background, role, and knowledge clearly defined, the AI's responses align more closely with real-world contexts and expertise. Flexible and versatile. Each component can be tailored to diverse content types and complexities, making the framework useful for a wide range of AI-generated tasks. The Broke prompt framework is a powerful tool for prompt designers, enabling more targeted, informative, and contextually accurate responses. It is particularly useful for generating high-quality outputs in complex and professional settings. If you want to learn more, subscribe the channel. Make sure to click the like button.